everybody. In this episode, I'm gonna be shooting this Nerf gun at this Lego helicopter because I want to. So, yeah, that's why I'm gonna do it. So, it's gonna be short, but let's do this. Okay then. That did not do anything. We'll do another one. Oh, yeah. Oh, that hit the camera. Okay, well, guess we see. Okay, really quickly. Okay. I just want to reload this really quick. Okay. Let's shoot this one more time. Okay, so I guess this Lego helicopter will not break by a Nerf bullet. This is a pretty strong gun, and I'm impressed that I didn't break it. So, yeah, that's what we wanted to do today. Yeah, bye.